Hey guys, today I'll show you how to migrate your passwords from Dashlane to NordPass safely and easily. First, open Dashlane through the web app and log in. Go to My Account, Settings, Export Data, then choose Export to CSV. You'll need to enter your master password if prompted to confirm the export. This CSV file contains all your saved logins, so keep it private and secure. Next, open NordPass and log into your account. Go to Settings, scroll down to find Import Items, then select Dashlane from the list of supported password managers. Click on the Upload box, select the CSV you just exported, and NordPass will generate a preview of your credentials. Review your imported passwords to make sure everything looks correct. If everything is set, click on Import. After this, delete the CSV file immediately to prevent anyone from accessing your unencrypted passwords. And that's how you migrate from Dashlane to NordPass. Thanks for watching.